Hi, welcome to Physical Science 3.1 Part 2. This is about the 6 forms of energy. You have done some research and made a poster on the 6 forms of energy, but I want to make sure that you understand what each one is and what it does. So first let's talk about heat energy, also known as thermal energy. This is the internal motion of the atoms is called heat energy because moving particles produce heat. We will also call it thermal energy. Heat energy or thermal energy can be produced by friction. Heat energy causes changes in temperature and phase of any form of matter. It's going to make things melt. Chemical energy is required to bond atoms together. When those bonds are broken, that energy is released. This occurs when you eat. Chemical energy is found in fuel and foods. Those are where those forms of stored chemical energy. Okay, chemical energy is generally stored chemical energy. Electrical energy, power lines carry electrical energy into your home in the form of electricity. Electrical energy. Radiant energy or electromagnetic energy is the next form of energy we're looking at. Radiant energy is anything that has or makes light. Light is a form of electromagnetic energy. Be careful not to get electromagnetic and electrical mixed up. Each color of light, Roy G. Bibb, represents a different amount of electromagnetic energy. Electromagnetic energy is also carried by X-rays, radio waves, and laser light. And we'll actually study more of that in second semester. Nuclear energy is found in the nucleus of an atom. It is where nuclear energy is stored. Nuclear energy is what holds protons and neutrons together. When the nucleus splits, that's called fission. Nuclear energy is released in the form of heat and light. Nuclear energy is also released when the nuclei collide at such a high speed that they join together. That's called fusion. The sun's energy is produced from a nuclear fusion reaction in which hydrogen nuclei fuse together to form helium. So nuclear energy is the energy in the sun. Electromagnetic energy is the energy we get from the sun. Nuclear energy is the most concentrated form of energy that we know of. Mechanical energy. When work is done to an object, it requires mechanical energy. The energy it acquires is known as mechanical energy. We will represent this by an EK and an EG, or even sometimes a KE and a PE, representing kinetic energy and potential energy. Energy can be changed from one form to another. Changes in the form of energy are called energy conversions. All forms of energy can be converted into other forms of energy. The sun's energy through a solar cell can be converted directly into electricity. Green plants convert the sun's energy, which is electromagnetic energy, or radiant energy, into starches and sugars that become chemical energy. Let's look at some other energy conversions. In an electric motor, electrical energy is converted into mechanical energy to make the machine move, like a blender or a hand mixer. The battery in a flashlight converts chemical energy, that's the battery, into radiant or electromagnetic energy when you turn it on. Remember, radiant is anything that has or makes light. The mechanical energy of a waterfall is converted into electrical energy in a generator. Finally, in an automobile engine, fuel is burned to convert chemical energy into heat energy, and that heat energy is then changed into mechanical energy. That's what makes our cars go. Hope you have a better understanding of the 6 forms of energy. Thanks for watching.